Ghosts from Athi House came back to haunt him in 2014 when Amos Kimunya found himself in the dock charged with 8 counts of abuse of office and fraud. Kimunya, former Director of Land Adjudication Lilian Jenga, and Junge Wainaina, Chairman of the Board of Midlands Limited, were accused of improperly awarding 25 acres of public land in Nyandarua worth 60 million shillings to Midlands Limited, a company partly owned by Kimunya, during his tenure at Athi House. 6 years after he was charged, the High Court let him and his 2 co-accused off the hook. Magistrate Felix Combo in June 2021 acquitted the 3 of fraud charges on grounds that the prosecution had not proved its case. The Director of Public Prosecutions filed an appeal against the acquittal. Now, Kimunya will be back in court again after the High Court reversed his acquittal and that of his 2 co-accused in the 60 million shillings land fraud case. High Court Judge Justice Esther Minor ruled that the prosecution established a valid case against the 3. Kimunya, Lilian Jenga and Junge Wainaina are expected to appear before Chief Magistrate Lawrence Mugambi on Tuesday next week for directions. As Kimunya prepares to return to familiar territory, former Kiambu Governor Ferdinand Waititu will still be facing prosecution at the Magistrates Court in a 588 million shillings corruption case, even as the High Court dropped charges against 5 of his co-accused. Waititu, his wife, the Kiambu County Chief's Roads Officer, 5 members of the County Tender Evaluation Committee, and directors of Testimony Enterprises Limited faced graft charges in the award of tenders worth 588 million shillings for the upgrading of roads in Thika, Limuru, Juja, Ruiru, and Gatundu North. 5 members of the County Tender Committee moved to the High Court to block their prosecution. They are now off the hook after the court dropped charges against them.